Good morning, class. We are going to start with a new video and also with a new week. I hope you enjoy it, okay? So if you have any question, you can contact me. Okay, so this is the Classroom Unit 2 Part C. First, we are going to review your homework that you had the last video, and this is Homemaker Finds a Job. Lin Chi is a homemaker. Now her children are in school. She wants a job. She wants to work in an office. What kind of job can she do? She talks to a job counselor. The counselor asks Lee, "Do you have a computer? Do you have an eraser? Do you have a board? Do you have markers?" She answered yes. Finally, the counselor thinks she can teach private classes in her home. The counselor helps Lee to find an interesting job. Okay, so look at this. Here you have a because you have consonant. Here you have a because you have the next word, it's a consonant. You have an because the next word starts with a vowel. You have a because the next word starts with a consonant. Here, look at this. You don't have to write an article here, neither a or an, because this is plural. In plurals, you don't use articles. Some of you continue using articles in plurals. Please remember that. In plurals, you don't need to use article. Okay, so finally we have an because the next word starts with a vowel I. Okay, so if you have in this way, good job. Okay, so here we have the answers review. What is Lin Chin? A homemaker, letter A. Number 2, what does the counselor think? She can teach private classes in her home. Number 3, what things does Lee have at home to teach? A computer, an eraser, a board, and markers. Okay, so if you have in this way, good job. Next. Now here we are going to learn some grammar. Okay, we are going to learn the use of this is and these are. Okay, so this means esto, esta, and this means estos, estas. Okay, so this is for singular and this is for plural. Look at this example. This is my computer. These are my computers, plural. Okay? Something important that you have to remember here is that for questions, you use this and this. This you use to ask, but you have to answer with it and they. Okay? So you ask, usted pregunta con this and this, y usted responde con it and they. Okay, so we are going to continue. Look at examples. Is this your book? Yes, it is. You are answering with it is because this is singular. It's only one book. Number 2. Are these your pencils? Yes, they are. You answer with they are because pencils is plural. Number 3. Are these your markers? You have to answer, no, they are not, okay? Because markers is plural. Number 5, is this your eraser? No, it is not, okay? So remember, you have to ask with is this, are these, and you have to answer with it is in singular, they are in plural. Okay, so now here we have, you have here the explanation in your booklet with pictures. Look at this. This is my book. The man is talking about one book. Here we have in the next picture, these are your books. The man is talking about 3 books, plural. That is why he's using these are. Okay? Look at the bags you have. Use these with a singular noun. Use this with plural nouns. Okay. So here you have exercise A. You have to complete number 1 and number 2 as your examples. This is my chair. Number 2, these are your books. Okay? So continue with 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so stop the video and do the exercise. Stop the video. Okay, so now that you did this exercise, we are going to review. Okay, so look at this exercise A review. Number 1, this is my chair. Number 2, these are your books. Number 3, these are your pencils. Number 4, this is my backpack. Number 5, this is her notebook. Number 6, these are his erasers. Number 7, this is my dictionary. Number 8, these are her dictionaries. Okay, so look at this number 3. Because you have pencils, you have to use these are. Number 4, because you have backpack, you have to use this is. Number 5, because you have notebook, you have to use this is. Number 6, because you have erasers, you have to use these are. Number 7, you have dictionary, you have to use this is. Number 8, you have dictionaries, you have to use these are. Okay? So here we are going to continue with the next. Okay, so here you have ask and answer questions with a partner. Because you don't have a partner, you are going to write, okay? So you are going to write the question with using is this or are these, and you are going to answer with yes it is or no they aren't, okay? So you can answer with positive or negative answers. It's okay, both are okay. Okay, so here you have a pencil, you have a book, books, you have pencils or pens, I think it's pens, okay? I don't know. This is erasers and this is sharpener, okay? Pencil sharpener. Okay, so now you are going to stop the video and you are going to write the question like this and the answer like this, okay? You have here the examples. Those are your examples, okay? So remember, you have to use is this for singular and you have to use are these for plurals, okay? Stop the video and write. Okay, so now you have here the 6 examples, sorry. Now we are going to review them. Okay, so look at this. Number 1, is this your pencil? Yes, it is. Or maybe you said no, it is not. It's okay. Don't worry about the answers if you wrote positive or negative. Both are okay. Here, is this your book? No, it is not. Are these your books? Yes, they are. Are these your pens? No, they aren't, or they are not. Are these your erasers? Yes, they are. Is this your pencil sharpener? No, it is not. Okay? So if you have in this way, very good. Remember here, you could write positive or negative answers. Don't worry about that. Okay? So remember, you ask with is this, your answer with it is. You ask with are these, you answer with they are. Okay? We are going to continue. Okay, so here you are going to practice. You are going to write 6 sentences with this and this. 3 sentences you have to use this and 3 sentences with this, okay? So 3 in singular and 3 in plural. For example, this is my book. Then in plural, these are my books, okay? So stop the video and write your sentences. Stop. Okay, so now we are going to review here maybe your possible answers, okay? You should have different, okay? So this is possible answers, okay? Only possibles, okay? So this, oh, sorry, I have a mistake here. This is my dictionary. Here you have to write is. This is my dictionary. These are my dictionaries. This is my pen. These are my pens. This is my child. This is my children. So I have here 2 errors. Okay, so wait, I am going to fix it. Okay, wait. Okay, so I am here again. Now I fix the errors here and I have this is my dictionary and here look at this number 5. This is my child because it's only one child, you have to use this is. Number 6, these are my children, okay? Children plural, I have to use these are. Okay, so next we are going to continue, okay? So here you are going to work in this exercise. What you have to do, you are going to answer the questions, okay? So you have here some questions and you are going to answer them. Remember the rule, recuerde la regla. What you have to do when you have singular, how have to be your answer, how you have to answer when you have plurals, okay? So you are going to work in this. Number 1, is this your pencil sharpener? Number 2, is this your computer? Number 3, are these your chairs? Number 4, are these your printers? Number 5, are these your notebooks? Number 6, is this your classroom? Number 7, is this your bookcase? Number 8, are these your tables? Okay, so now you are going to stop the video and you are going to answer these questions, okay? Stop the video. Okay, so now that you work in this, we are going to continue, okay? Let me see if it is working. Yes, okay. Okay, so now we are going to review. Is this your pencil sharpener? Yes, it is. You have to answer with it is because you are asking with is this. So singular, singular. Is this your computer? Yes, it is. Are these your chairs? No, they are not. Are these your printers? No, they are not. Are these your notebooks? Yes, they are. Is this your classroom? No, it is not. Is this your bookcase? No, it is not. Are these your tables? Yes, they are. Okay, so remember when you ask with are these, you have to answer with they are. If you ask with is this, you have to answer with it is. Okay, so if you have in this way, good job. Next. Okay, so here we have grammar, okay? We are going to review another grammar point. Now you are going to learn the use of there is and there are, okay? Don't confuse with the last ones. This is different. This is there is and there are. The meaning of there is and there are is hay. Esto significa hay en Spanish, ¿ok? Hay dos mesas, hay dos sillas, hay un estudiante. So in English, you have to use there is and there are. Let me see something here. Are, okay. Okay, so here you have the rule. There is, you have to use for singular. For example, there is a book on the table. Hay un libro en la mesa. And you have the use of there are. There are is for plural, okay? So you have there are books on the desk. Hay libros en la mesa. The difference is because in Spanish we have only the word hay. En español tenemos solo la palabra hay para singular y plural. Hay un libro en la mesa, hay libros en la mesa. But in English we have there is for singular and there are for plural. Both mean hay in Spanish, okay? So because you have to use the rules of singular and plural, you have to this variation here, okay? So remember, there is for singular when you talk about only one thing, and there are for plural when you talk about many things, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? So you have there is and there are. Okay, next. In your booklets, go to, this is on page 23, okay? So you have here the rule, there is, there are. There is a student, there are students, okay? So you have there is a student in the classroom, there are students in the classroom. Use there is and there are to talk about a room, city, or other place, okay? So you are going to complete exercise A. What you are going to do, you are going to complete with there are or there is, okay? Remember the rule. There is for singular, there are for plurals, okay? Number 1 is your example. There are 2 students in the classroom, okay? Stop the video and work in the exercise. Stop the video. Okay, so now that you come back, we are going to review your answers, okay? We have number 1, there are 2 students in the classroom. Number 2, there is a student from France in the room. Number 3, there are 20 desks in my classroom. Number 4, there are books in the bookcase. Number 5, there is a dictionary on the desk. Number 6, there is 1 pencil sharpener in the room. Number 7, there is a woman in the classroom. Number 8, there are 5 men in the class, okay? So remember, there are is for plural and there is for singular, okay? If you have in this way, very good, good job. Okay, so now we are going to complete. Okay, so here you have a listening exercise, okay? What you have to do here is you are going to listen and circle desk 1 or desk 2. So you are going to listen about these objects that you have here. You have to listen and you have to identify if the objects are in the desk 1 or in the desk 2. Desk 2, ¿ok? Va a escuchar de los objetos que están en cada escritorio y usted va a poner en un círculo. Si es que están en el escritorio 1, va a poner desk 1. Si están en el escritorio 2, va a poner desk 2. number 1 is always your example. Remember, number 1 is your example. So look at the things that you have here. You have in the desk 1, you have a dictionary, you have paper, you have pencils, pens, 1 eraser, you have books, and you have a notebook. In the desk 2, you have a computer, a book, a dictionary, 1 eraser, 1 pencil sharpener, and those are pens, okay? So you are going to work in this, okay? Ready. Okay, this is on page 23, exercise B. Okay, ready to listen.
B. Listen and circle desk 1 or desk 2.
1. There is a notebook on this desk.
2. There are pencils on this desk.
3. There is a dictionary on this desk.
4. There is a pencil sharpener on this desk.
5. There is a computer on this desk.
6. There are 4 textbooks on this desk.
7. There is a piece of paper on this desk.
8. There are 2 pens on this desk.
Okay, so now here you are going to listen one more time, okay? I will try to stop any in each of these exercises. Let me try.
B. Listen and circle desk 1 or desk 2.
1. There is a notebook on this desk.
Okay, so look at this. There is a notebook on this desk. Okay, this is a notebook. The notebook is in desk 1. Okay, so now continue with number 2. I am going to stop, okay, each time. Then you have time to think and do the answer, okay, because this is a little bit fast.
2. There are pencils on this desk.
3. There is a dictionary on this desk.
4. There is a pencil sharpener on this desk.
5. There is a computer on this desk.
6. There are 4 textbooks on this desk.
7. There is a piece of paper on this desk.
8. There are 2 pens on this desk.
Okay, so remember that I am going to send you this recording so you can practice, okay? If you want to listen one more time, I am going to put, but I won't stop. No voy a parar esta vez, solamente usted va a escuchar, okay? So let me try. Okay.
B. Listen and circle desk 1 or desk 2.
1. There is a notebook on this desk.
2. There are pencils on this desk.
3. There is a dictionary on this desk.
4. There is a pencil sharpener on this desk.
5. There is a computer on this desk.
6. There are 4 textbooks on this desk.
7. There is a piece of paper on this desk.
8. There are 2 pens on this desk.
Okay, so you can practice the listening anytime, okay? Because I am going to send you the recorder. Okay, now we are going to review the answers. Okay, so you have number 1 is desk 1, number 2, desk 1, number 3, desk 2, number 4, desk 2, number 5, desk 2, number 6, desk 1, number 7, desk 1, number 8, desk 2. Okay, so if you have in this way, good job. Next, we are going to continue. Okay, so now here you have working together. Work with a group, write 3 true sentences and 3 false sentences about your classroom. Then read your sentences to the class. Your classmates will say true or false, okay? Because we don't have classmates now, but you are going to write sentences, okay? Remember the meaning of true, verdadero, false, falso, okay? So look at this, you have the example. There are 100 students in this class, okay? So this is false because it's impossible to have 100 students in one class. Okay, so you have to write 3 true sentences and 3 false sentences, okay? So, okay, look at this. So you have true, it's verdadero, false is falso, okay? So you have my examples here. For example, there is 1 teacher in my class. This is true. There is a nurse in my class. This is false. We don't have a nurse. No tenemos una enfermera. So this is false. So you have to write 3 true sentences and 3 false sentences, okay? So stop the video and work. Stop. Okay, so now we have here possible answers, okay? Maybe you have different. These are my examples. There are 25 students in my class. True. There is 1 computer in my class. True. There is 1 board in my class. True. There are 2 computers in my class. This is false because we have only 1. There is a map in my class. False. We don't have a map in our class. Do you remember? We don't have a map. Number 6. There is a dictionary in my class. This is false. We don't have dictionaries in our class, okay? So maybe you are going to have different here. Only these are my examples, but you are going to have different, okay? So then we are going to continue here. I think this is the end. Yeah. Okay, so now you have your homework. You are going to write one sentence with this, one sentence with this, one sentence with there is, one sentence with there are, okay? So in total, you are going to write 4 sentences, okay? One with this, there is, there are. Then you are going to answer the questions. Is this your school? Are these your erasers? Is this your clock? Okay, so this is your homework. I hope you have enjoyed this class. If you have any question, you have to send me a message to the WhatsApp, okay? Thank you, class, and have a wonderful rest of the week, okay? Bye-bye.